how to add Google at a glance widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. From here, open up Google. Then we scroll down and then drag the At a Glance widget and drop it onto your home screen. Here, you can select a widget style. So you got semi-transparent. You can touch and hold on that and then tap on settings to change to other style. So we can choose transparent, solid, or semi-transparent. This is the solid one. And that's it. So here you got the calendar date and the weather information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.